you're looking here at this case for my iPad 10 Gen, this is the box here that it comes in. Just going to this, so some of the things I really like about it. If I wanted to make a lighted keyboard, really easy to do. Just at the touch, don't have to hold any functions down. I just touch the light. I like simple things like that. Also, as you can see up here, I have my light for my screen, and I can adjust that by pressing this. You see the button come up here. I can make my screen brighter, less brighter, just by touching the buttons right there. So all these work like your functions. The same for volume. I can increase or decrease my volume just by the touch. Some things I like about this, it has a swivel option as well. The case is, the top is mounted on. I turn my light on here, let you see the rest of it here. This is mounted on. My iPad just snaps into this. It has an on-off button over here, and what I like about it, it slides. It doesn't push in, so it's not something you would hit accidentally. It has the charger right there. Whoops, that's right under there. It's the Type-C, which is compatible with the iPad 10 Gen as well. Everything works great. You can see the large touchpad here. That works your thing seamlessly. You can go ahead and make adjustments of how you want to work all the features of that as well. Very easy to go through, very easy to navigate as well into whatever you desire to navigate into. Double tap brings up your stuff. It does have over here the pen holder for the pen. I use an aftermarket pen, and I like the holder for it because I do use that the Gen 1 pen that works with this. So these are the features of the case. Let me just close it here, show it to you. The one thing is, I will say that sometimes I wish that it was a little bit more embezzled there. It does kind of hang flat with its plastic, by the way, as you can hear too. It does hang kind of flat with my lens. I wish it was more bubbled there or something to just give a little bit more lift in case I lay upside down. With this tube being a swivel, you see here that you can swivel it if you drop it, so it doesn't like lock into place like that. It stays pretty well, easy to transport. It does have 4 rubber pegs down here as well, which is nice if you're using this for speaking at a podium or some type of lecture place. As you can see here on my desk, it does grip pretty well. I'm glad for that. Overall, I really like the case. Here's the box again. Has great features and holds it securely, and I like it and use it, and I really like just opening up and using the swivel. And as you see here too, let me just open this up. When you open it, kind of cartoon with my hand, but everything does turn on where you left it. There I have it. So you see that, so it opens
on it,
and when you close, whoops, and as you close, it shuts everything off. So I really like it. Looks great, functions well.